Setting up a joint venture company in India. Foreign companies can set up their operation in India by forming a strategic alliance with one or more Indian partners. There are no separate laws for setting up joint ventures in India. The companies incorporated in India, even with the up to 100% foreign equity, are given the same treatment as the domestic companies. A typical joint venture is where two parties incorporate company in India and is subscribed to the shares of the joint venture company in agreed proportion in cash and to start a new business. A new company is formed and business of one party is transferred of the new company. As consideration of such transfer, shares are issued by the company and subscribed by the party, and the other party subscribes for the shares in cash. Promoters, shareholder of an existing Indian company of a third party, and which may be individual company, collaborate to jointly and carry on the business of that company, and its shares are taken by the said third party through payment in cash. Advantage of joint ventures company. A joint venture company is one of the most preferred form of equity model for a foreign companies for doing business in India. A joint venture may entail the following advantage: a foreign investor, accessible financial resource of the Indian partners, establish contracts of the Indian partners which help in smoothing the process of setting up of operations, and the established distribution and marketing setup of the Indian partners. Procedure for setting up a joint venture company. The broad steps and the involved in setting up a joint venture company in India are outlined. Step 1: locate an Indian partner. Step 2: venture agreement setting out the rights and responsibilities of the parties form a joint. Step 3: in case the joint venture company is a new company, incorporate a new company, public or private, and invest in agreed ratio. However, in case the investment is being made is an existing company by acquisition of shares by the foreign company, complete the share acquisition procedure. Step 4: comments and joint ventures business. Thanks for watching this video. If you need for more information, you can contact with us. And you can easily start your joint venture business in India, in USA, in UK, in Australia, and I will guide you how you'll be start your joint venture company. Thanks for watching this video.